Hello traders, hope you're well. Today is Tuesday the 5th of September and we're going to look back at yesterday's trades, we're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's get started. So yesterday, guys, the first trade we were looking at was Aussie dollar Swiss franc, and we were looking to buy this pair. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, we were in a downtrend. We're still really in a downtrend until this level breaks, in which it does with this candle here. And as soon as we get this break, we start to see higher highs, and we're already seeing higher lows. Okay, so we're in an uptrend, and because we're in an uptrend, I am still looking for buys. All right. And yesterday, guys, yeah, we also had this bit of a wick that bounced off this level. This bullish candle was still dominant, and the idea was to, take buys from this level potentially back up to here. Okay. And as you can see, guys, that hasn't quite happened yesterday. All right. But let's drop down to the H4 first of all to see if we had a setup. Okay. And the answer is no, basically, because ever since, we're awake and looking at the markets, the first candle I see is this. Yeah, and I'm just not going to buy a H4 candle that looks like that. And then just look at the following candles. Nothing tells us to buy this pair. Okay, even if we look on H1, guys, it's pretty grim reading. Yeah, so this is that H4 candle that comes down. I mean, look, not bullish enough, not bullish enough, not bullish enough. Even all of these green candles all have like top wicks on them. Yeah, none of them are bullish enough to trade. So, thank God they weren't, because it kept us out of trouble, guys. Yeah. We didn't get a setup, so we didn't trade this pair. I actually traded Canadian dollar Swiss franc, which I put in the VIP Discord channel. Okay. The next trade from yesterday was Euro Aussie dollar. So this is obviously highly correlated with Aussie dollar Swiss franc. They are inversely correlated, and similar story, guys. Okay. So with Euro Aussie dollar, yeah, we can see that price is breaking down. Okay, we wasn't sure what it was going to do in this area here. It was just ranging, but then bang, yeah, we get a break with this big bearish candle here. So the idea is just to, off the back of this, carry on with this bearish momentum. And we also get another bearish candle. So the idea was to carry this on back down to this psychological level. All right, again, yesterday that didn't really happen. We got quite a bullish reaction. But again, yeah, as soon as I enter the market, I'm seeing this candle. Yeah, but not when I enter the market, when I wake up and I'm looking at the charts, and you're just not going to sell a H4 candle that looks like that. Yeah, don't do it. Okay. And then, bullish, okay, bit of indecision, but then look, bang, bullish, bullish. Again, if we look at the H1, did we have a H1 candle that told us we could have got in? We did. Yeah, I would say this candle, potentially these candles, but it was that H4 strong bullish candle that just kept us out of this trade. I don't want to try and sell that. Yeah, it's too bullish. Okay, so yeah, but what I do like now is the fact that we are at this grey zone. All right, so if we go back to the H4, we're at this grey zone. We have got the Aussie dollar interest rate in a couple of hours, so this will be interesting. But if we get a reaction from this level, yeah, I think we could become potentially come lower still. Yeah, I'm still looking for shorts. So that was Euro Aussie dollar. So yeah, those H4 candles kept us out of both of those trades. We also had gold. Where are you, gold? You are gold. Haven't sung that one for a while, guys. So gold, let's start with the day chart. Yeah, I'm still looking for shorts. Yeah, so price for me is still in a downtrend because price has come all the way back up and tested these last highs. Okay, and we're starting to see a bearish reaction. Yeah, look at those red candles and look at the wicks on these candles. All right, and the idea was just to take price potentially back down to one of these higher time frame levels. If we drop down to the H4 now, so H4, you know, we did get a setup. This is a nice bearish candle that formed in our grey zone. All right, but it was just the risk to reward for me. If I start entering here, put my stop above here, you know, realistically, is this my target? Is this my target? You know, I wasn't sure I was going to get enough risk to reward with this trade. Yeah, if we drop down to the H1, you could see really we didn't, the first proper bullish candle we got was this. Okay, and again, it was all about risk to reward. If I sold here, put my stop here, you know, is this my target? You know, this becomes my reward and this is my risk. So gold just didn't make sense for me. Okay, but one US dollar pair that I did trade was Aussie dollar US dollar. We've made some nice profit on that. But again, guys, I put that trade in the VIP Discord channel. So if you're interested in the VIP Discord channel, guys, firstly, you need to join the free Discord. But yeah, join that and then you can join the VIP Discord. The link and everything is in the video description. So, guys, yeah, those were the trade ideas. We did have one more. We're looking at oil, but oil just hasn't come down yet. If we look at this day chart, you know, potentially today, you know, we've got a bit of a doji at the top here. Potentially we could start seeing a retrace today, but we just need to have a retrace. Yeah, and we just haven't had one yet. As soon as we get one, you know, here, maybe here, you know, I'm interested in buying oil still. Okay. So there you go, guys. Yeah, those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy my analysis every day, then come join us, yeah? Subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button right now, guys. Help support the channel. Thank you very much. Trades for Tuesday, the 5th of September, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few things our channel does. So first of all, guys, we've got the free Discord channel. It is free, hence the name. Yeah, and you get loads of cool things. So you get access to other traders who are sharing their knowledge and their ideas. You've got indicators, psychology, some money management, useful links, loads of cool things. Come join the free Discord channel. The link is in the video description. Secondly, guys, we also have the VIP Discord channel. I know I mention it a few times because this is where I put all of my trades. So if you would like my trade ideas as and when they happen, then come join the VIP Discord. We also have access to me, as in you can ask me questions throughout the trading day if you're stuck or having any problems or need help. We also have two other expert traders sharing their ideas. I give you exclusive content every single week, and you get access to a performance coach. So, guys, lots of great value in the VIP Discord. Come join it. The link is in the video description. Next, guys, if you would like to be coached, mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. Again, the email is in the video description. Also, guys, we've got YouTube, Simply Forex YouTube membership. So if you enjoy this analysis vid every day, enjoy the live streams, then you can show your support by becoming a member of our YouTube channel. Okay, it starts from as little as $2 a week, but a month, sorry, and you get some really cool perks. So come join us. And also, guys, don't forget the live stream, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Yeah, I'll see you there. Get your questions ready. I am ready for you. Right, trades for Tuesday, the 5th of September, guys. So I'm going to start with yen pairs. So lots of people are yesterday asking me about yen pairs on the live stream. And yes, I am interested in yen pairs. Yeah, because of this. I mean, if let's look at a few different ones. So this is Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, yeah, and yesterday we've got a bullish candle. We're in an uptrend. Potentially we could have more room to the upside. Yeah, I like it. But look at the weekly. Yeah, these weekly candles and these wicks here are just telling me sellers are here. Okay, and it's the same with most yen pairs. If we look at euro yen, again, let's start with the day chart. Yeah, we like this in terms of a setup. Yeah, we're back at this level of support. We've got this bullish candle. Potentially we could take price back up to here. But again, that's the day chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. Sellers. Okay. Yeah, this is the problem I have with them, guys. Let's look at pound yen. If you look pretty much at any of them, yeah, let's start with the day chart. Okay, again, yesterday, bullish candle. Let's take price up to here. Yeah, which we probably can, guys, but weekly chart. Yeah, sellers. Okay, pretty much any of them, guys. Let's look at New Zealand yen. All right, so day chart. Yeah, day chart. I mean, this is sort of kind of breaking up into a uptrend. Yeah, we've got bullish candles. Perhaps we could come back up to here. But again, weekly chart. Yeah, look at all these wicks. These wick. These are all rejections, selling wicks. Yeah, is what I call them. But there is a yen pair that I like. All right. So this one is Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. So let's start with the weekly chart. The thing with the weekly chart here is, firstly, yes, we are in an uptrend. Okay. We've got into a bit of a sideways action here. But firstly, we still have room to move into back to these highs. Okay. That's the first thing I like. And then secondly, if we look at these weekly candles, it's not all top wicks. It's also bottom wicks. And the bottom wicks are larger than the top wicks. So this is the opposite of what all them other yen pairs are telling me, is telling me that there are buyers in here. Okay. And we've still got a bit of room to move into. If we now look at the day chart, yeah, you can see we're in this ascending triangle. Yeah, this ascending triangle here. Yeah, and what usually happens with an ascending triangle is price will need to break out. Yeah, because it's contracting. Price is contracting. Eventually, it will break one way or the other. But an ascending triangle, the idea of is that price will ascend. Yeah, it will break out of this and potentially come back up to here. But if it broke out of this, then obviously this is still possible and we could look for shorts. But as it stands, I'm looking for buys, yeah, because we've got this bullish candle here from yesterday, and we've got a bit of room to move into back up to these last highs here. So this 10800 level would be my target. It doesn't leave us a lot of pips to move into. So, yeah, let's drop down to the H1 now. We're looking to buy this pair for those reasons. And all I want to do here, guys, yeah, I'm just trying to take price up to here. And that's about 25 pips as we speak. Yeah, a bit more. And realistically, guys, all I'm looking to do is just stay with H1 structure. So we've got our grey zones here, but these are more daily, higher time frame grey zones. And this is not really a grey zone kind of play. We just want to, stick with this H4 structure. Yeah. But price, maybe retraces a little bit and we get there is an area through here. Yeah. And we get a bullish reaction out of this grey zone. And then we can start buying it back up to here. Okay. The alternative is we are finding a bit of resistance here. We could get a strong bullish green candle, break through this, and again, yeah, we can start buying up to here. So I'm just looking for that first bullish H1 green candle, guys, to be honest. You know, obviously, if it starts breaking down here, then I'm not interested. But as long as it stays in this grey zone somewhere, bullish candle, we can enter. So yeah, I'm also, you know, I'm seeing a bit of Canadian dollar strength today, guys. So Canadian yen we want to buy, and we're seeing some strength because of oil. Yeah, oil has been, you know, broken through that big resistance level. So the next trade is also a bit of Canadian dollar strength, and it's Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so let's drop down to the day chart. So I've liked this trade ever since, let's do that. I've liked this trade ever since we've broken these highs through here. Yeah, because we had lots of indecision, you know, almost a sideways market, but then bang. Yeah, we've had a big bullish candle break these highs. We now have higher highs. We're in an uptrend, and we could potentially take price all the way back up to here. On Friday, though, we got a very bearish reaction. But all this bearish reaction is getting me down to a nice level of value. You can see the moving average 20 here. Yeah, it's also got this grey support level. So there's a double bubble support level. All right. And yesterday's candle, admittedly, not super bullish, but, you know, these sellers have stopped or slowed down at least. All right, and I just want to take price potentially back up to here, if not further, guys. So Canadian dollar Swiss franc, I like this level. There's value here. If we drop down to the H1, what am I looking for? So again, these two grey zones are higher time frame zones. But what I'm looking for, guys, is this. So H1, I'm actually in this trade already. Once we got this bullish push off of this level, I'm in this trade already from yesterday. And like I say, guys, I put all my trades in the VIP Discord. So this was such a trade. And really, guys, you know, all I'm looking for is a break of H1 structure. So we're in some real choppy overnight shitty price action. But if we get a break of this level, yeah, okay, we get a bullish candle, breaks out of this level, then again, I'm interested, guys. I will potentially add to my position. We shall see. All right. And that's really what I'm looking for, guys. Is again, it's just a big bullish reaction from these lows. Yeah, maybe, you know, hopefully breaking these highs, or if not these highs. Okay, and then H1 structure's changed. If price starts breaking these lows, then not interested, guys. Yeah, my hedge is down here. Okay, but if price starts breaking this, then potentially more room to the downside. Okay, but if we get a bullish reaction up, let's just follow that bullish reaction. So Canadian dollar Swiss franc, we're also looking to buy that pair. Gold, I'm still interested in gold. You are gold. Sorry, I laugh at my own jokes, guys. It's quite sad. I apologize. Day chart. Yeah, not much has changed. Yeah, I'm still looking for shorts. I'm probably going to wait for a break of this level, and I will show you in a minute. But we are in a downtrend. Yeah, this high here still hasn't broke, and we're getting bearish candles, which suggest we can come a bit lower down to one of these blue high time frame targets. Yeah, so if we zoom in, you can see that, yeah, bearish candles. If we drop down to the H4, I'm just going to wait for this. Yeah, I'm going to wait for a break of these lows. Okay, if we get a H4 candle that breaks these lows, then, you know, that's the catalyst to start selling. I'll probably wait for a retrace, and then we can start taking price lower. You'd need to put your stop above the last swing high. You could potentially look on the H1 for a tighter stop. That's what I'm looking for, guys. I need a break of this level. Okay, break, retest, come lower. So yes, still looking at gold, guys, and obviously oil. Now let's look at oil quickly, because, you know, this is the reason that Canadian dollar is seeing some strength. Yeah, yeah, because Canada is such a large exporter of oil. If oil prices are high, then this is good for the Canadian economy. Yeah, makes sense. So this is probably why we're seeing a bit of CAD strength. But again, with oil, guys, this may not be a trade for a couple of days. Yeah, a few days even, because what we need is a retrace. We need a retrace down to here and a reaction, or even into this grey zone and a reaction. Okay, so we could wait a few days for this retrace. It may not even happen, guys. It might just shoot off. But that's what I need to see for me to start buying. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Yeah, and like I say, guys, if you've enjoyed my trade ideas, then come join us, yeah? Subscribe to the channel. Also, smash that notification button. And if I could ask everyone, if you've enjoyed my trade ideas, to smash the like button right now. Also, don't forget, we've got the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel. We've got the mentorship program, and we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership. Right, let's take a look at the news now. So news for Tuesday, the 5th of September. So the big news today, guys, is really this. So you might still be in bed, but we have got the interest rate coming out of Australia today, guys. All right. So at 5:30 London GMT, we've got the interest rate decision, which they're expecting to keep the same. Okay. And we've got the statement as well. So these two combined are really going to move the Aussie dollar pair. I was actually in Aussie dollar, US dollar short, so I've taken some profit, and then I've got a bit of a free trade with this news today. Okay, move my stop to break even. Let's see what happens. But other than that, guys, that's it. Yeah, we've just got the interest rate there, but after that, guys, no other real big news to look at. There is some PMI data here. So, from 9 o'clock for the euro, 9:30 for the pound. These PMI data could, move the euro and pounds, accordingly. So keep an eye out for that, guys. But yeah, other than that, nothing else to worry about in terms of news. So, guys, I hope you have a great trading day. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, join the channel, and don't forget to join me for the live stream later today, guys. Get your questions ready. I'll see you later.